What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. This one, the question is as follows. Solve for y. Right here, we have x plus x over 2 equals 2, and y to the x equals 64. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So we're going to solve these two equations top to bottom. First, I'm going to solve for x here. So first, we're going to combine like terms, right? X plus x is equal to 2x over 2 is equal to 2. Now these 2's are going to cancel out because 2 over 2 is 1, and I'm left with x is equal to 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that in right here for x. So now we have y to the second power is equal to 64. So what number squared is equal to 64? That's going to be 8, because the number squared means that number times itself. We know that 8 times 8 is 64. That means that y is equal to 8. Now, just a fun side note, technically y could also be equal to -8 because -8 squared is also 64, but we're gonna go with the positive answer. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.